go. Record. All right. We opened up. We logged in. Rules of the game. We went to resources. Rules of the game. Okay. They tell you certain things. You can read all through it. The quick way is a couple of things. You may trade only stocks and mutual funds listed on the NASDAQ stock market and the New York Stock Exchange. Okay, so you can only trade stocks from those places. You got to log into those places and see what's available, see what's going on in the stock market, see what's making money, see what's not making money. Also, all stock and mutual fund buy orders must be a minimum of 10 shares. So you have to put the at least 10 in a little box that we'll see later. There's all kind of other rules on here that you can go through slowly, but for right now you're just kind of trying to stick stuff in the boxes and see what happens. Kind of trying to take the shortcut probably. I get it. All right, so let's go to trade. Enter a trade. So let's enter a stock trade. I want to trade. I want to buy something from somebody that wants to sell something. So stock trade. We get this box that opens up. What do I know to stick in here? If I click on this, search for ticker symbol, it says please enter a company. I want to search for a company to enter. Okay, it's not giving me anything. Okay, most of this stuff is kind of worthless. All right. So I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy something. Block symbols. Click on that. That means any of these symbols up here on the sides, these are symbols for companies. Any of these symbols on the company, like say Apple, okay, you're not allowed to sell or buy those stocks. These are excluded stock symbols, meaning you can't use them. All right, so you have to find something that's not on this list. So how do I know what to find? All right, so I've got the New York Stock Exchange listings up here. Okay, so I can go through them. There's millions. This is just the A's. All right, so let me just think. Let me go with Aaron's and Company. I really don't know what they are right now. I haven't looked to see if the stock's going up or down, but just to show you how this works, I'm going to use Aaron's, and I have to use this abbreviation, AAN. I can click on here and see how they're doing, but I'm just trying to show you really quick. So AAN. Let me go back. I can't see it because this little thing's in my way. Go back to the other page. Oh. Okay, let me move this down. There we go. Oops. Nope. Here we go. Okay, I didn't need to. Shouldn't have had to go through all that, but anyway. Okay, so it's AAN. So I'm going to put in AAN in this box. AAN for Aaron's. Okay, so market, number of shares. I have to get at least 10, right? It said 10, so I put in 10. Okay. Market 10. Preview trade. Okay, so action. I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy 10 shares of Aaron Incorporated Compar at 50 cents a share. Okay? Re-enter your password. So then I would put in my password, which would be your password, QIBS 7868, and then I would hit confirm trade, and that means that I will have spent some of my money to try to make money. All right, I'm not going to do it because I don't know if you want to invest in Aaron Incorporated at 50 cents a share. I don't know if it's going up, if it's going down, how much you would make. Okay, but that's basically how you do it. You find a company, you put in their ticker number, and then you put in the amount of shares you want to buy. You buy 100 shares, 200 shares, whatever it is. Okay, and then you hit confirm trade. All right, hopefully that'll get you started. If you need to ask me any more questions, feel free to. Alrighty? Okay. Now I'm going to stop this recording.